How to add Google AdSense to your Wix website. First things first, let's head over to a new tab and search in here for Google AdSense. Now, once you're on the AdSense itself, just head over and click onto the Start option. Now, you just need to log in into your account. So let me head over and then log in. Now, we have in here our Google AdSense. As long as you have a Google account, you will have this. So let's head over to our Wix site, and you need to make sure to have your own Wix site's URL. So this is my URL right here. Let's right click on it and then copy onto this copy link address. Head over to your Wix site and then head over to your Google AdSense. Click onto this drop down and click onto this add another site. Input right here your website and click on save. Now, once your website has been saved, you just need to make sure that your URL is a top level domain. So we have in here our Wix Studio and you can just use it as it is right there. So here we have this, click on save. Once it's been added, you can see in here what it looks like. So we need to connect our site to AdSense. Let's click on this Let's Go option under the very bottom. Now from in there, this will prompt us to the onboarding part of our site right there. So this is what it will look like. You can choose in here verification method. You can either add an AdSense code snippet, add a TXT snippet, or a meta tag. So you can just add or copy this particular AdSense code and paste between the head and head tags on each page of your site. If you choose the TXT snippet, you need to head over to your site routes directory wherever you actually published it. For the meta tag, you also have in here this option and then input it on the header head page using this part. So you can choose in here the option to select your verification. Then once you have done that, click on the place the code and click on verify and it will request a review for this particular site that you have added. So that's how you add a Google AdSense to your Wix website. Hope we helped.